I've been an administrator for about 20 years, a coach during that entire time, and coached my kids and other kids. And one of the things that I found was that it didn't matter how much you were involved with kids, there was always something hidden. You were finding out that kids had feelings that you weren't aware of. As a coach, you want to be very, very attentive to them. And so it bothered me that I was missing signs of kids that were either anxious or distressed about something. I started thinking, maybe there's something that can be developed that would help coaches and would help management in encouraging the level of communication that would be needed for success to be brought to their companies and teams. I started talking to a family member in the name of VictoryLab. Andrew had been playing and had won a couple Stanley Cups, one in Carolina and one in Chicago. And I started asking him from a professional player's perspective, what would be really valuable? There were a couple components that would be significant. The first thing that we kind of decided on was the fact that you need to know what your employees are feeling or what your athletes are feeling. They need to be able to communicate this on their time, but most importantly, it needed to be anonymous. The second component that became very, very critical was the fact that we needed to learn and understand what team morale was all about and what company morale was all about. And that if team morale was high and company morale was high, then efficiency and productivity was also high. We didn't know at that time that we were going to be developing an app, and I certainly didn't know that there was even such a thing as an app. As app technology became more and more readily available, that would be something that we should investigate. And over the last 8 or 9 years, we've been working on this. And that's what we've developed. We've developed now an opportunity for youth and adults alike to get mental health support on their terms, on their time, and in a confidential manner.